At the beginning level, the teacher wants to review content on inertia taught in a previous lesson. The teacher uses a video to review the content, but doesn't ask the response to show evidence they recall previous content.
What we're going to do is inertia. I'm going to show you a movie. At the end of the movie, you should know what inertia is, because tomorrow we are going to go to balanced and unbalanced forces. So make sure you watch, remember in your head what's going on here, and so at the end of it you should know what inertia is, okay? And then tomorrow we'll start our other movie, letting you know what balanced and unbalanced forces are. So, Diamond, if you get the light, please.
Hey, scientist, it's me, Sid. I want to know why my book's moving. Or it stopped. We're going to investigate inertia. Come explore with me, Sid the Science Kid. Coming up next. Hey, is this thing on?
Hey, Sid, what do you say? What you want?
At the developing level, the teacher has students do a review and asks them to write answers to the questions. The teacher is unable to move to applying because throughout the lesson, she monitors for compliance rather than the desired effect that students are recalling content from the previous lesson.
You are going to be reading page 51, 52, 53, and page 54. This information is talking about Newton's first and second laws. It's on the test, guys. So you're expected to know this information. So what you have to do first is, as a group, you need to take turns reading the paragraphs out loud to each other. All right? Once you get those pages read, you also have some reading on the first page of your worksheet. Once you get that read, you need to begin answering questions. It looks to me like you've got some target skills to answer. You've got the first law of motion. You've got the second law of motion. And then you get another review sheet over the first and second laws of motion. I will expect this done at the end of the class period. If it is not done, then we need to come up with a plan to do
Galileo's ideas paved the way for Isaac's Newton proposed the three basic laws of motion by an unbalanced force.
At the applying level, the teacher asks students to recreate a lab they completed the previous day. This time, students are to teach their lab partner. This demonstrates applying because the teacher monitors students throughout the lesson to determine if they recall previous content.
the clothespin. You have to use a piece of oak tag, and you have to use a penny. Okay, so in your mind, I want you to think about these three objects. And what you're going to do is teach your group or your shoulder partner, and groups of three, you will have to teach each other. You will teach your shoulder partner, and you will tell them how to do this lab. Okay? Are there any questions before I get materials out? And what's the object, so I know you know exactly what to do. What are you trying to do? Okay, so would you show me what a finished one would look like without doing it? Show me where the penny would be on the... We're worried about inertia because, remember, Newton's first law says once something's traveling in a straight line, it will continue in that straight line. All right, so where's the straight line here to show me with your penny? Where's the straight line? Okay, so go ahead and just leave the piece of oak tag off and show me what the straight line is for the penny to get on the clothespin. Right on top. Okay, so can you get it balanced there? So that's what we're going for. All right, so now set up your lab and get there. Show it to me. Now, do you have to stay seated? Can you stand up?
Yeah.
Sure, you can stand up. Okay, and I'll get out of your way. I'm going to move your chair. Okay, so let's see. The hardest part is getting the balance, isn't it? Okay, go get a different one. Okay, so what do you get? Whoa! Victory! Yay! All right, so Jesus, give them a clue. What did you do to get that to work? Yeah, he just really pulled it fast. So speed does have something to do with it in his case. Good job. Almost. Almost, Zach.
At the innovating level, the teacher recognizes that she has a few students in class that would benefit from a challenge because they have already demonstrated mastery of the reviewed content. She allows all students to complete the extension activity, even though she is adapting the strategy to meet the needs of a few.
How can I balance this penny on the hanger and then demonstrate inertia as a balanced force? Now I'm going to throw out some hints to you about inertia. All right. What you're going to have to do with these two objects, figure out a way to balance your penny so all the forces are balanced and yet show inertia. Exactly what you want it to spin. So you want to put your finger now. I don't want anybody to get hurt.